Tradition and excellence are just two words that come to mind when you think of being a Hoover Viking. That legacy has been built on the backs of great coaches, tremendous athletes, and outstanding community support. North Canton Hoover has also benefited from having great athletic facilities that have served our community well. The time has now come to build facilities that will carry the next generations of Vikings on to greatness. A comprehensive athletic facilities master plan was launched in 2017 to update and expand the athletic facilities on the south side of 7th Street. Projects already completed include paving the east parking lot of Memorial Stadium, a new building that houses locker rooms and a concession stand, turf installation in the soccer and lacrosse stadium, and the addition of a new grandstand at the softball stadium. Thanks to the generosity of our community, all of these projects were completed without using any tax dollars. The athletic facilities plan will continue to progress with a focus on student-athlete health and wellness, handicap accessibility of venues, equitable facilities for all, and revenue generation with maximum community impact. Excellence in all areas is not just a part of Hoover Viking history, excellence is part of our future as well.
The athletic facilities plan is an opportunity for us to improve our facilities in an area where our kids perform and shine. We're very, very proud of them. Our community's proud of them, and they should be. And it's just a great opportunity to continue that, but also improve and do it in a first-class way.
The thing that excites me the most about Memorial Stadium renovation is, where do you want to be on a Friday night, on a rainy Friday night? You want to be in North Canton. It's the best stadium in Stark County.
One way that I think it could really benefit us is bringing in a lot of new students and new athletes, getting people more involved, and just really bringing the community together.
I had my knees replaced 7 years ago, and I've sat in row 2 for 25 years because I couldn't go up the steps. And there's been so many times when people walking down the steps at the stadium have grabbed onto my shoulder or fell into me. So getting the athletic stadium updated is going to be great. The athletic facility is going to be great. And it's just going to give more opportunities to all of our students, no matter what sport they are in.
The rec center will be great. I think that'll be a great addition to the community. As a coach, I think it'll benefit lots of different sports. I know we'll utilize that in our off season especially, or when we're in season, when we aren't able to practice outside.
Well, we chose to give to the Legacy campaign for 2 reasons. First, what it's done for us over the years, and secondly, what it's going to do for our grandkids. We have 6 of the 7 in school now, 1 has already graduated, so it's going to benefit them in the future.
Every single time I step on the field or even look at it, it's continually a reminder to show how great our community cares for us.
The Hoover facilities have impacted my Hoover experience tremendously. It's an amazing experience to walk into a locker room with all of my teammates and be able to get ready for each game in a brand new locker room and walk out to a beautiful field and just know that our team means something and that we're important to our community.
Well, to be a Hoover student athlete has been truly a meaningful experience. And although it can sometimes be tough balancing the 2 aspects of academics and athletics, in the end, when looking back, I think it's really worth it. Not only because of the essential skills it teaches you for your future, but also because of all the memories that you make along the way.
Well, I was born and raised in North Canton and have great memories here. It's a great community.
As soon as I became a Hoover Viking, I felt like the community was home. I feel like everyone's really supportive of me, of us here, and especially the kids.
North Canton's a great place to work because of the people. Education is a people business. We're a service organization where we educate kids and work with our staff. It's just a fantastic place for kids because of our staff, because of their parents, and because of the community in general. We just have a very giving, caring community. At North Canton City Schools, we have a proud tradition of excellence in athletics.
The Legacy campaign is about honoring the past
And looking to the future.
This campaign will set our school district
And community apart for the next generation.
And continue the legacy of what it means to be a Hoover Viking.
Please join us in the historic campaign and leaving a legacy for future generations of Vikings.